Do you know what your love language is? Don't worry if you don't. You're going to find out. We're going to be talking and we're going to be doing a seminar on February 23rd called The 5 Love Languages. It's based on the book by Gary Chapman, which is an all-time bestseller. It's been on the bestseller list for years. And it's all about what is my primary love language? How do I feel love? How do I express love? And the thing is, everyone has a different love language. It depends on how you were raised. It depends on how you were conditioned. How was love demonstrated to you when you were growing up? And so we're going to explore what are the 5 different love languages, and uniquely, what is your love language? How do you feel loved? How do you express love? And then gaining a greater awareness of the people in your life so that you can learn what their love language is so that you're not missing each other, that they're feeling your expression of love because you're speaking their love language. So I look forward to sharing that with you. It's on Sunday, February 23rd from 1 o'clock to 2:30. And I look forward to seeing you then. It'll be live as well as in person.